Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the latest in GRE air conditioning, which is the high efficiency modular air cooled screw chiller. The content as follows: the lineup, the capacity or the applicable location, higher efficiency, better comfort, better reliability, and better flexibility. For the lineup, uh, the LM series air cooled screw chiller range from 230 kilowatt to 1720 kilowatt. 230, that's about, if you divide it with 3.516, that's about 65 TR. And with 1720, that's about 489 TR. So if you're using, if your development is on a hotel or small capacity but varying in loads, I believe screw chiller is the best. These are all 134A refrigerant. Currently, we have 23 invention patents under GRE China. If you have a single system, you can have a capacity of 320, 420, and 520. For a dual system, we can have 580 kilowatt to 1050 kilowatt. For the multi-system, you can have a 1160 kilowatt to up to 1520 kilowatt. The following nomenclature, or if you're reading the catalog, when you say unit, the category or the nomenclature will be LS for the chillers. If it is compressor type, you'll be looking for a semi-hermetic screw compressor. It's also capable for heat pump or heat recovery. So it could be it could come for a dual functionality, cooling and heating at the same time. And these are all, F is for air-cooled configuration in the nominal capacity being indicated. Modular design means M, and the high efficiency is default standard unit. H is for high efficiency unit. Applicable location, it can be for water resource, uh, where water resource is insufficient, inconvenient for installation of cooling towers. So if your roof deck is limited, so you can use this, and not constrained to be located in the machine room, meaning you need not to do a bigger machine room, no? If you're doing an air-cooled chiller or allocate bigger machine room. For in terms of high efficiency, it complies to Eurovent A class with an EER of up to 3.39. So the range of capacity from 320 to 1520 kilowatt. So you'll see from this graph, you'll notice the EER rises from 3.2 up to 3.39. I think the highest is the 950 kilowatt. Higher efficiency speaks of the economizer operations, fan with inner rotors and the aluminum casing, and it uses an oil separator with 99.7 efficiency. It has a almost 3,000 steps type of electronic expansion valve, and it uses a semi-hermetic dual screw compressor and oil pump control. And when you say flooded evaporator, this means a better efficiency of product. And it has a sound insulation cover, and if you need a better sound insulation, you can request it via the GRE factory. For the special flooded twin screw compressor, it has a slide valve stepless adjustment, meaning it adjusts the cooling output of compressor according to the load of the system, reducing driving efficiency loss. And for a more compact structure, it is a direct connected driving motor. For a V-shaped condenser design, V-shaped layout with the best angle and the best air volume, more even distribution of airflow, ripple, fenestration, aluminum condensing fin. For the flooded type evaporator pipe is soaked in liquid refrigerant for improved heat transfer capacity and cooling efficiency. The GRI self-developed high-efficiency vertical oil separator. It uses external oil separator design with 4 stages for oil separation technology. And the oil separation efficiency is up to 99.97%. For the plate economizer, it uses condenser depression of refrigerant or sub cooling. Cooling capacity for is improved by 10%. So for those development or manufacturing plant that requires plate economizer, it is possible. All you need to do is request it with us. Some comparison between the previous generation and the recent uh, design for air-cooled screw chiller. For better comfort, it has a wide running temperature range. It can go on ultra low temperature cooling design. This is optional, meaning you can add glycol in the system if you're needing to operate minus 23 degrees C. And adjust energy supply according to demand, because automatically adjust yield water temperature according to variation of load. Remember, this is a screw chiller, meaning you can drop the demand up to 12.5%. Startup quantity of air-cooled condenser fan units can be controlled according to pressure. Noise reduction design, fan or low noise axial fan design, streamline airfoil design, lower noise general fan units about 3 decibel. Compressor, patent technology of sound insulation. It's a patented technology on sound insulation and noise reduction for compressor can be requested. High efficiency vibration oscillator. It uses high efficiency vibration isolator for the unit. I think the lower acceleration of oscillating damper is 105 dB. No? Damping rate is about 90%. For the heat recovery function, this is optional, meaning you can request an air-cooled chiller for dual functionality, meaning heating and cooling. So it can heat reclaim volume for about 20%. The water can be heated by reclaim heat up to 55%, 55 degrees C. Heat reclaim and non-heat reclaim work condition can be freely switched during operation. It can provide both air conditioning and hot water supply, and it is the best choice for large hotel and mixed-use development aiming for better efficiency. In terms of better reliability, it has an independent design. One unit has a 4 independent system, the most, and the compressor adopts a wide delta startup with low startup current since a variable speed screw compressor, and high energy efficiency for partial loading. So meaning, although here in the Philippines, you're operating at 35 degrees C, load of 100%, and ER of about 3.38. I think you'll get an outside air temperature of 26 if you do a during rainy season, it goes down to 26.7. 18, you get this on a country where they have winter conditions. Special flooded twin compressor. It adopts direct connected driving motor. It has a built-in air exhaust check valve. It has a built-in oil separator and oil heater. For the special flooded twin compressor, it has a reliable compressor operating range control technology. Compressor motor cool down technology, which is to ensure reliability and performance of compressor. This is the comparison of the previous design and now the current design. High accuracy electronic expansion valve control. It has a step motor up to 3,800 steps, the most, precisely adjusting refrigerant flow. It can dynamically control degree of superheat for outlet of evaporator to achieve higher utilization ratio for heat exchange. Multiple anti-freeze design of shell and tube. Evaporating temperature is 5.5 degrees C. So, water flowing through the heat exchanger tube can prevent partial frost cracking. Adopt a multi-slot tube plate design to improve hermetically sealed construction for preventing the risk of leakage, and it also add water flow switch or water break protection. Multiple anti-freeze design of shell and tube system. It has evaporating temperature control technology. It ensures that the evaporating temperature inside the shell and tube is always above 0 degrees centigrade for preventing frost cracking of shell and tube. Rot-proof design. Hermetically sealed structure to prevent exposure of parts and components. It adopts a rot-proof gold aluminum foil fins and anti-corrosive materials to make the whole system and tested for neutral salt spray up to 2,000 hours. Designer consultants may request for adoption of 3-layer protection design for the chassis. This is an optional requirement. So if you need better soundproofing, it's possible. So for better flexibility, on-site seamless modular technology, 2 modules can connect on-site, similar to what we're doing in all other existing projects that we have in Unita Plasma, Coastal Luxury Residences, Grand Marina. So you see modular installation for air-cooled chiller, which can satisfy different requirements of cooling capacity. As you can request this type of configuration if you want a built-in water flow module, water pump, a closed type expansion water tank, strainer, pressure gauge, flow switch, or flow control valve. Installation test for water flow module has been finished or will be completed before leaving the factory. Advanced control system. It has a brand new controller for ease of operation with 3 kinds of switching mode for on-off control. Complete safety protection that provides password protection to prevent mishandled operation. It is also capable for long-distance control center, meaning it can be used for internet interface, which is possible for long-distance monitoring of the unit. Automatic identifiable matching parameters for equipment setup. Automatically identify model of unit and invoke the matching parameter for saving the debug time and avoiding manual misoperation. Complicated manual setup current alarm value. Convenient for long distance or remote control for operation. The display board uses Modbus communication protocol that can provide control of multiple units to optimize operating efficiency. That would be all. So thank you very much. And I hope you'll be using Gree air-cooled screw chiller for your upcoming projects like hotels or manufacturing facilities. Um, and we're here to help you. And feel free to call us and get in touch with our sales team. Thank you very much and God bless.